Afternoon, everyone. You can carry on with the start of program.
When I think of school, I feel like I'm walking through the most beautiful lane of my life. Let's go off the past and go for the future. Go in the direction of your dreams and live the life you promised to yourself.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु
अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय दिए बीज जय जय दिए बीज जय जय.
From 11th is science. I live in Ghato. I live in Kerala, but my father is a government teacher and he goes to Chandpur, and my mom works in TSRDS. Therefore, currently we are living in Ghato. I came from Holy Cross School and completed my 10th board from there. My hobby is playing football, watching TV, and my aim of my life to become an engineer.
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to thank you for this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to say my name is Christina Soja. I studied at SSGM Public School, Khoti, and my father was the alumni of this school, Tata DAV Public School, Ghatota, and he is the principal of Anti-Grover DAV School. I want to become an MBA. I want to become an MBA, and my hobby is helping needy persons, listening music, and reading interesting facts. So that was a big thank you so much.
I heartily welcome you all on behalf of Tata DAV Public School, WBC Ghatotown, and I hope that everybody is enjoying this precious day despite this COVID-19. It could have been celebrated in a grand way, but due to the problem of COVID-19, we are celebrating online. But still, you can have glimpses of happiness here. You can catch the happiest moment, because this is the day which everybody wants to remember, especially class 11. And class 12, your senior students are giving honor for me to this precious day. So I just want to tell you that take this honor from your seniors and give respect to your seniors also in the same way as they are giving honor to you.
Watching a quiz game. So before starting this thrilling game, let me introduce you with the instruction of this game. Some rules are there. Yeah, identify the first phase. The two teachers of our school of two different streams. You are getting 15 seconds only. The correct answer is S.K. Verma sir and Sasi Prakash sir. Here is the second question. The second question, same identify the two faces. Correct answer is Rameshwar uncle and Keshav uncle. Identify these two teachers. And the correct answer is A.K. Jha sir and S.K. Das sir. In these two teachers, again we have kept the teachers' faces as a two different streams. And the correct answer is Dr. Radheshyam sir and K.K. Yadav sir. And this is the face. Only I think you will be getting the many right answers are coming. 15 seconds in your hand. If you require hint, I can give. One is Miss World in the year 1994 and one started career with Shahrukh Khan. 15 seconds in your hand. You are getting 50. Yeah, many right answers are coming. 15 seconds and your time is over now. Your time is over now. And here is the correct answer. Your correct answer is Aishwarya Rai and Deepika Padukone. Yes, the correct answer is Aishwarya Rai and Deepika Padukone. Identify these three actresses of two generations. You can say these three actresses And the correct answer is these three ladies are Kajol, Bipasa Basu, and Alia Bhatt. You have to identify the movie through or song through emojis. If you forget anything, then your friend used to call you with this name. If you forget anything in school, then your friends used to call you with this name. The correct answer is Ghajini movie actor Amir Khan. This talented actor. This movie has got highest rating in the web series. Highest rating till now ever. A great actor who is no more with us and still in news every day. I don't think I need to give more hints. And your time is over now. And the correct answer is and Dil Bechara. Guess the song. Guess the song. 4 different pictures you are having in front of you. Guess the song. And the correct answer is Suraj Hua Madham. Yes. You have to guess the movie here. Which movie we are talking about. Just see clock, emojis, try to convert it in Hindi, and the correct answer is Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. You need to guess the song.
Shreyanshi Sinha has given right answer. Can she sing a line for this song?
साही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बन ठन के वही तो मेरी स्वीटहार्ट है.
Here comes the voice recognition. You will be getting different voices.
As the great religious teacher Swami Vivekananda once said, the moment I stand in reference before every human being and see God in him, that moment I am free.
And the correct answer of this slide is Donald Trump, the president of USA. You need to recognize this voice, a great
need. He is a creator of eternal goodness and
Very
wholesomeness in human contact, which is called
contributed in every
righteousness. As we say in India, where there is righteousness in the heart, where there
of India. And the correct answer is late APJ Abdul Kalam. Moving next, we are having another.
Suman has given the answer first. Call
Yes.
her for one line of this song.
नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आता है, ऐसा कोई साथी हो, ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो.
Now, I would again like to request our Honorable Principal Ma'am to share her love and blessings to the freshers. Ma'am, please.
So I, on behalf of the school family, welcome you all to the courtyard of DAV Ghato. Maybe virtual, but we are really very happy to see a few new faces and also our own children. And see here how your seniors are organizing program for you. This is to show that we are there to serve you. The service provided by your teachers and your seniors. This is to show also that we love you. Your happiness matters for us, and everything depends upon your learning. If you are ready to get this service so that you can also serve better in life, you can start right here. You can start right in this campus. And this is the time when you should think of contributing something to your own life. Try to get lesson from there and write the new white page of your life, standard 11 and 12, these 2 years, in a very beautiful way. The way you want to design your career. Golden time to once again rescale you. Relearn what is required for you and unlearn the things which you had up to standard 10. बहुत मस्ती मारना, बहुत घूमना, बहुत टाइम हम लोग वो कुछ कर लेते थे जो parents are saying not to do, teachers are saying not to do, still you people were doing. So first I would request you to unlearn all those things which you feel that those are not going to add any brick in the career you design, you aspire, and your parents always wish to see you in the form of.
The best and beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt by heart. Thank you is one such prayer among them. A warm and graceful evening to one and all present over here. I consider it a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who witnessed it as a memorable and successful event. I would like to thank our beloved Principal Ma'am for advising us and giving us this opportunity to organize such a wonderful program, and also for her words of wisdom that radiated a source of energy within us. We will ever remain grateful to you, and we thank you for being with us today.